Learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to label pitches on the musical staff and within leisure lines. Identify pitches on a diagram of the keyboard. Label pitches on the musical staff using octave registers. Let's take a look at musical clef. Okay, let's take a look at the bass clef. Another name for the bass clef is the F clef. It is called the F clef because it originates from the F line. As you see there, it is drawn from that fourth line, which is also known as the F line. Okay, let's take a look at another well-known clef, the treble clef. Another name for the treble clef is the G clef. Now, if you follow my mouse, I'm pointing to the second line, and if you look at even closer, you will see I'm actually tracing the steps as if I was to actually draw the treble clef. And as you see, I started from around the area of that second line, which is the G line. So hence we have it, the treble clef or the G clef. What is another name for the treble clef? What is another name for the bass clef? Can you draw them? The musical staff. The musical staff is composed of 5 lines and 4 spaces. As you see here, I've placed my treble clef at the beginning of the staff. Now I could have chosen to place my bass clef at the beginning of the staff as well. Now once I have changed clef, this alternates the pitches that will be performed in each of these lines and spaces of the musical staff. Now we will take a look at specific pitches on each of these lines and spaces when we change up our clef sign. Okay, let's take a look at the treble clef. Here we have 5 lines. Each line is represented with a letter name of the musical alphabet. The first line is the E line. The second line is the G line. The third line, the B line. The fourth is the D line. And the fifth is the F line. There's a little device that you can apply in order to help you to memorize the names of these lines of the treble clef. And it says every good soul does fine. Okay, as you see here, we have the notes that correspond with the spaces using the treble clef. The first space is an F, the second an A, the third a C, and the fourth an E. What do you notice? It spells the word space. Along with all of the tutorials that you will see here, you will also be provided with opportunities to communicate with the instructor along with other students through the blog. Notice the address, music theory that makes sense.wordpress.com. Music theory that makes sense.wordpress.com. Visit the blog for quiz number 2 on everything that we've covered so far. You will be provided with a deadline to submit your answers in the comment section. Answer keys will be provided when the deadline has passed.